Hello guys, welcome to YouTube video tutorial. In this tutorial about how to make a login system with PHP and MySQL. So for this we need to open our text editor, that is VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, and we need to open the editor. Then we need to open a folder, and inside HTML I need to make a folder that is login, create, and inside login we need to press OK button. So you can see we have this directory, so we need to make a new file. Create the file as index.html. Okay, we have this index.html file, so we need to make some structure for this, and login, and just some division ID, login wrap, and I will use dot form field field, input type text, and the name should be username, ID should be let's say username, and I will use placeholder, enter username, and required attribute for the form validation, and division plus form field, input type password, and name would be password, ID password. Okay, so now we have this form, so we need to wrap the form element, that is form action would be authenticate.php, and method is post. So we need to paste this form field, and let's open our browser and we need to type localhost login, and you can see we have enter your password and enter, so just delete. So we need to make some placeholder and required, so we have this form, and right now we have this form element, and we need to use an h2 element, that is login, and after the form we need to use dot form field, input submit, value login, and I will use the class as button primary, and reload. We have this login submit button. So thank you guys for watching this video tutorial, and after this tutorial we will show you how to use the PHP MyAdmin to integrate with our database, and we will create a user table on our login database. So thanks for watching, see you next time.